Despite the large amount of material on the network on the topic of Linux, we offer our own way of learning this operating system. A selection of our videos for Windows users and programmers who want to learn how to work with Linux and gain initial hands-on experience in network security and white hat hacking. The course is free. Videos will be released about once a week, so we suggest you immediately subscribe to our channel. Mastering Linux, even at the user level, for a beginner is a very difficult task. Why is it so? The first, the end goal of learning Linux is not always defined. The practical application of the acquired knowledge about the various programs and opportunities is not obvious. The second, the authors of most video courses refer to various additional knowledge, concepts, definitions that are not known and incomprehensible to the student. The third, in one course, the author tries to embrace the immensity, too much information, and the desire to continue learning disappears very quickly. We offer an effective way to learn Linux. The first, main goal, to learn the Kali Linux operating system at the level of beginner white hat hacker. The second, easy of learning. Information will be provided according to the principles. Simple words about complex things. From simple to complex, and less is better. The third, as a result, you will work well and confidently with the terminal, Linux command line. Learn to be invisible on the internet. You will be able to view sites, access to which is limited within the territories and certain countries and regions. Learn how to use Proxy and VPN. Learn what DarkNet is and how to get there. The concepts of DOS, DDoS, RED, phishing, keylogger, rootkit will become clear and understandable for you. Get basic social engineering and OSINT skills. Set up a penetration testing lab and do some simple hacks. Take first confident steps towards becoming a certified ethical hacker and learn how you can legally make money on the hacker trade. Interesting? Great! Then let's take the first step. Install Kali Linux.